Genesis 19:24. Did Yahweh rain down fire and brimstone from Yahweh? Let's take a look. Genesis 19:24 says, Then Yahweh rained upon Sodom and upon Gomorrah brimstone and fire from Yahweh out of heaven. At first it may seem to be saying that perhaps Yahweh the Son rained upon Sodom and Gomorrah fire and brimstone from Yahweh the Father out of heaven. At least that's how a Trinitarian would read it. But then we look at other similar expressions for Solomon and Rehoboam. For example, 1 Kings 8:1, Solomon assembled the elders to King Solomon. Quote, Then Solomon assembled the elders of Israel, and all the heads of the tribes, the chief of the fathers of the children of Israel, unto King Solomon in Jerusalem. Also 1 Kings 12:21, Rehoboam desired to restore the kingdom to Rehoboam. Quote, And when Rehoboam came to Jerusalem, he assembled all the house of Judah, and with the tribe of Benjamin, and 180,000 chosen men, which were warriors, to fight against the house of Israel, to bring the kingdom again to Rehoboam, the son of Solomon. We know there aren't two King Solomons or two Rehoboams. So also in Genesis 19, there's not two persons called Yahweh. There's only one Solomon, only one Rehoboam, and only one Yahweh, who alone is the Creator Most High Almighty. Psalm 83 verse 18. That they may know that you alone, whose name is Yahweh, are the Most High over all the earth. Hallelujah. So why is it worded this way in Genesis 19? In the ancient Hebrew, this was simply an emphatic way of speaking, to emphasize that it's Yahweh causing this destruction from heaven and not just some random act of nature. Even a well-known Trinitarian, John Calvin, agrees with this way of seeing Genesis 19:24. John Calvin says, quote, The repetition is emphatical, because the Lord did not then cause it to rain in the ordinary course of nature, but, as if with a stretched out hand, he openly fulminated in a manner to which he was not accustomed, for the purpose of making it sufficiently plain that this rain of fire and brimstone was produced by no natural causes. End quote. If you would like a free copy of Chuck Henry's book, Trinity, Oneness, Duality, and Preexistence, just email me your address at kingdomseekers1000@gmail.com. Also, comment your thoughts below. Thank you, and shalom.